How can we grasp the pulse of the times without the light of wisdom? How can we break the deadlock of industrial revolution without the courage to innovate? Industrial machine tools, a pillar of our country, ingenious, intelligent manufacturing leads to the future. YUHUAN CNC Machine Tool Company Limited is a national key enterprise of advanced manufacturing specialized in high-end CNC equipment and intelligent production lines. For more than 20 years, YUHUAN CNC has gathered brand strength while forging ahead with continuous innovations. By laying out the integrated development of machine tools and smart manufacturing, challenging the cutting-edge technologies and striving for excellence, it has become a backbone force with unique characteristics in the journey of making Made in China high-end and comprehensive. As a leading enterprise in the field of CNC grinding machines and intelligent equipment, YUHUAN CNC has brought together many first-class talents with profound theoretical basis and rich innovation practice. Through 4 scientific research platforms, including Hunan Engineering Research Center for complete sets of high-efficiency, precision machining equipment for difficult-to-machine materials, and academician and expert workstation, it has constantly overcome challenges in the industry based on cutting-edge technologies and innovations, which have won many national, provincial, and ministerial level awards. And a number of products have reached internationally leading and advanced level, obtaining 127 patents and dozens of inventions cumulatively. In terms of research and development, the company aims to realize import substitution and emphasizes on the development of generic technologies of the industry. It has strategically built a joint laboratory of intelligent control technology with Huazhong CNC Limited, and carried out Enterprise University Research Institute cooperation with well-known universities and institutes, such as Hunan University, National University of Defense Technology, and National Research Center for High Efficiency Grinding Engineering Technology. YUHUAN CNC has independently developed more than 100 products of 4 series, single and double disc grinding machines, special purpose grinders, single and double surface lapping and polishing machines, and intelligent equipment, which are widely used in the major fields of national economy, such as consumer electronics, auto parts, new energy, semiconductor, and aerospace. YHDM 580 CNC DDG machine can achieve high precision, efficient, and reliable grinding of hard, fragile, thin, and difficult-to-machine parts, providing a general solution to precision parts manufacturing of high-end equipment in China. YHMM 7776 Precision CNC Vertical Grinder makes a breakthrough in high-precision grinding technology for 500 mm workpieces with the machining accuracy up to 2 UM. 5-axis grinding and polishing intelligent production line realizes the unmanned 3D copy polishing production with multi-workstations and processes, which represents the most cutting-edge technology of core precision parts processing in the global consumer electronics field. YH2M8169 3D magnetic polishing machine solves a problem of 3D complex surface fine polishing technology, which is internationally leading and is selected as top 10 symbolic innovation achievements of manufacturing technology in Hunan province. Its intelligent production line of precision grinders is widely used in automobile industry, consumer electronics, ultra-precision processing, new energy facilities, and other industrial and economic modernization scenarios, providing a key boost to the intelligent upgrade of the industry. Intelligent transformer test and detection station in digital workshop, realizes safe and efficient management of transformer test and detection through digitalization and informatization, and thus becomes an important force for the upgrade of national new power equipment and UHV power transmission infrastructure. By virtue of the high standard quality assurance, YUHUAN CNC has been trusted by customers for many years and established long-term cooperation with Apple supply chain enterprises, Foxconn, Jabil Group, BYD, Tata Group, and other well-known enterprises at home and abroad. YUHUAN will always adhere to the principle of customer orientation, constantly consolidate domestic market advantages, improve the abilities of serving the international market, bringing the maximum value for each customer. As an enterprise practicing social responsibility, YUHUAN actively makes contributions to the society, attaches importance to the building of the core corporate culture, and considers realizing the growth of people as its vision. The future has come. Nowadays, with the rapid IoT development, the company will speed up the development of intelligent machine tools, empower the industry with green manufacturing, and take a development path with the characteristics of YUHUAN during the service-oriented reform of manufacturing. Times are always changing, but innovation remains the same. When Made in China is transforming towards Created in China, the hard-working YUHUAN people will continue with the mission of achieve the most advanced manufacturing and revive the national industry. Manufacture high-end machine tools with ingenuity, lead high-quality development with innovation, and strive to build the global first-class brand in the field of industrial machine tools and intelligent manufacturing, so as to make contributions to realizing China's dream of becoming a superb manufacturing power.